Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my festival from scratch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. You can also go ahead and follow me on Facebook. It's Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram. It's KaliKitchen_1. And go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have my counter flour. I also have some granulated sugar, salt and baking powder. I also have some refined cornmeal and 1 glass of cold water. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add the cornmeal to the counter flour and combine that a little. And I'm also going to add the salt, the baking powder and the granulated sugar. And guys, just to note, I'm going to add some mixed spice and cinnamon also just to give it a nice little flavor. You don't have to add this. It's really and truly optional. So if you guys don't want to add it, it's fine. And I know most of you gonna ask, can we use brown sugar instead of granulated sugar? Yes, you can use your brown sugar. So once I'm finished making this dough for the festival, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna leave it to rest for roughly about 15 minutes. Then we're gonna come back and we are gonna go ahead and make up the festival. So once we're finished now, because we're almost finished making the dough, we're gonna go ahead and just put this to the side. All right, so I'll see you guys back in 15 minutes. Alright guys, so after 15 minutes, it's time to go ahead and start making my festivals. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, from the big dough that I made up for the festival, I'm just gonna go ahead and take off small pieces. And you don't want to take off a lot, just small pieces. And I'm just gonna put them to the side. And you want them to be even, so try to get them even as possible. Then I'm gonna start making my festival. Alright, so as you can see, I have a dry plate that I added some flour on, and I added the flour just because I don't want the festival to stick to the plate. Alright, so as you can see, I'm just gonna go ahead and roll, and of course we have to stretch our dough. And guys, always remember that this will rise because we added baking powder. And as you can see, I just use my hand to just push them down a little bit, if that's the word, because I don't want them to be round. I want them to have a nice little triangular shape. All right, so guys, while I'm making up my dough, please note that my pot that I'm gonna fry my festival in, I have it on the stove with some vegetable oil heating up. So once I'm finished making up the festival, I'm gonna go ahead and add the festival to the frying pan that I'm gonna fry my festival in. And just a reminder guys, if you do not have some of the ingredients, and again, if you do not have the granulated sugar and you have brown sugar, you can go ahead and use whatever you have. If you don't have any cinnamon powder or mixed spice, or if you don't have any nutmeg, it's okay. Always remember to use whatever you have at home, okay? Always remember that it's hard time and we just have to utilize whatever resources we have at home. Alright, so this is my festival. So now it's time to go ahead and add my festival to the frying pan with the oil. And I turn this down on the lowest heat possible. And guys, just note that you have to watch your festival. So you can't just put them in there and leave them on gone. You have to watch them because you don't want them to burn up. Alright, so this takes me roughly 7 minutes to fry, because I have to ensure that they're properly soaked on the inside. So while within the 7 minutes, I just continue to watch them and ensure that they're not burning up. And I also try to ensure that I turn them in time. So, and if you look closely, you will see that it started to turn golden brown. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flip them over on the other side and show you guys what the other side looks like in a minute. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and flip them over on the other side. As you can see, they're coming along quite fine. Again, you want to ensure that you're always watching your festival. You don't want to leave them because you want to always ensure that they do not burn, all right? And always turn down your heat, all right? Don't turn up your stove too much because you don't want to burn up your festival, all right? And I find out when you turn it up too high also, guys, I realize that it doesn't get time to soak. So guys, I'm going to leave this for roughly another 3 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is my festival. And as you can see, it's coming along quite fine. So I'm just going to allow this to fry. Then we're going to come back and show you the final product of my festival that I made from scratch. So guys, this is the final product of my festival that I made from scratch. As you can see, I served this up with some jerk chicken. I also added some red stripe beer on the side. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave a comment and like and tell me what you guys want to see me cook next. Thank you guys so much for